How to claim rewards on WeCash application. Are guys facing issue to claim rewards on WeCash app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To claim rewards on WeCash application, first of all, open WeCash on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on WeCash application, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open the app, now just simply look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for rewards. Tap on it. After you click on rewards, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see all these rewards. You need to open app each and every day in order to claim this reward. On day 1, you're gonna get $0.08, whereas on day 7, you can get up to $50 and you'll be able to claim it in your account. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna claim rewards on WeCash application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.